In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a keyboard on your Windows computer. Now, this can be really useful if you don't have a keyboard on your computer and you want to go and use your iPhone instead. Now, to do this, first go and open up an internet browser, and in the address bar type in MONECT and then press enter. Click on the top website, which is monect.com. Now scroll down and click on this download button and click on the download link 1. You can then click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side, and you'll need to go and open up this setup file. We can then go through the steps to install this onto our computer. So I'm just going to press next, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on install. You can then click on finish. Now once you have this application open, we can go and open up our iPhone. You then need to go and open up the App Store, use the search box at the bottom of this page, and we're just going to search for Monect. You should see PC Remote, go and click on this, and then click on the blue install button. Once it's finished installing, click on open. Now click on the connect symbol in the bottom right hand side. Make sure to allow all of these notifications, and you should be able to see your Windows computer underneath local hosts. Just make sure your computer and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can then go and select your computer, and it should automatically go and connect. Now once you've connected, you can go and use your finger to move around this trackpad, and that's how to control the mouse. You can also control the keyboard as well by clicking this keyboard icon in the top navigation, and anything that you type on this keyboard is automatically going to be mirrored over to our Windows computer.